Hey, hey, hey! Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whatever time you may be as you go decide to stream with your Dear Alie podcast. Thank you. Thank you so much for deciding to tune in and spend your precious time with me. And I've got my favorite co host from Gen X, or the boomers, you may say,
Mm-hmm.
to help me out in ensuring that this time you've spent with me, your precious time, would be worth your while. And yeah, you heard her in the background. So without further much ado, let's welcome Miss Anne.
Hello, everyone. It's me again, Anne,
Yay.
your
Yes.
sexy baby boomer.
Yay,
Hello,
yay. And that
everyone.
wonderful. And that actually is what we'll be discussing. What makes Miss Anne still, attractive? Guys, she said she's not an X. She's a boomer. Because me, I'm a Gen X. And
Mm-hmm.
I'm 54, but she's
Mm-hmm.
my senior in every which way. That's why I want to
Mm-hmm.
learn and reach that age 10 years from now, happy, healthy. And like what she said, the benefit of what she's doing, have been doing,
Mm-hmm.
her habits encompasses health physically, mentally, emotionally. And we want that. Okay? So
Yes, that's right.
let's go and ask first things first. Miss Anne,
Mm-hmm.
tell us, what are, what's your definition? Okay, let's just say, what's your definition of being healthy, a healthy person?
Being
What
a
is
healthy
health?
person. That's
Yeah.
a very good question. Okay.
Mm,
First, to be healthy, I'd like to, the first thing I do is I need to be mentally and spiritually healthy,
wow.
and that is I do my devotion and my meditation as soon as I wake up so that
Mm,
I will be calm the whole day
mm,
and I have a happy disposition.
mm,
So that's very important for me. And then after that, I do my Pilates.
oh,
I do wall Pilates. And I'd like to try out also Tai Chi because they said
nice,
that Tai Chi is very good for seniors as well.
nice.
Yes, so
And with
that's what I do.
thank you. And with Pilates, how long have you been doing the Pilates thing?
I've been doing it for only a month because
Mm.
prior to that, what I have been doing is I only do the basic dancing
Oh.
and it helped me a lot in losing weight. And of course, after my meditation and
Mm,
everything, once I tend to play this uh, happy sounds or
mm,
dancing music, then I'm sorry, music from the
mm.
70s and the 80s,
Ah,
the disco's music. But the
yeah.
very first song I play is Happy by Will Farrell
Oh,
because
I
it
don't know that.
sets,
Will
because I'm
Farrell
happy.
is. Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
No, no, that's by his last name is Farrell. I
Mm,
just do not know the first
mm,
name
mm.
because I play it on my it's in my playlist. It's the very first song.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
song in the movie Minions.
Ah, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
And the moment I hear that
Mm,
music, it lifts up my spirit and what I would like is to dance
mm.
right away. Yes. And then after that I'd play a song by normally it's Justin Timberlake.
Hey.
Yes. And then
Mm-hmm.
another song, I think it's by, I'm not sure if it's Nicki Minaj.
Mm.
Yes. And then another song from the 70s and that
Mhm.
is by the Bee Gees, like "Staying Alive."
Yeah. These
Race,
are the
yes,
songs you were playing when you were a
yes, that's
disc
right,
jockey.
that's
Ah.
right. So I do my dancing for like I know it's tiring,
Uh-huh.
but it's not really the Zumba steps that's
Uh-huh.
very fast. But
Uh-huh.
I do it use by my face because I cannot afford to break a bone
Mhm.
because of course I'm a senior already. So
Mhm. Mhm.
I dance
Mhm.
I dance using my own face, my own facing,
Mhm.
and that will be for about 15 to 30 minutes. So that
Mhm.
depends on the energy that I have.
Mhm. Nice.
Yes.
Wow.
So that's what I do. And then I started wall pilates
Oh.
because like dancing as well,
Mhm.
it helps improve your strength and your
Mhm.
core. Like it strengthens my core, like my legs, my
Mhm.
hips, and my glutes, which is
Mhm.
your ass or your back area.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yes, those are low impact movements,
Mhm.
and normally you will do it against a wall.
Oh.
All right, that's why it's called wall pilates.
Nice.
And of course, like dancing, pilates
Mhm.
as well helps us reduce stress and tension,
Mhm.
especially if you do it early in the morning.
As soon as you wake up, right?
Well, after my meditation, I do my meditation. I sit
Mhm.
down quietly and pray, of course. That
Mhm.
is within for about 30 minutes. I also do my Bible study for about 30 minutes. Within that 30
Mhm.
minutes, because I need to settle my mind first.
Wow.
Yes, that's what I do before I start dancing or start doing my wall pilates. Yes,
Wow.
yes.
Wow. Let me just
Mm-hmm.
go make some comment about Will Farrell. Will Farrell, you're correct. He's the writer and singer with Marian on the song "Happy," and he's my
Oh,
favorite
see.
comedian. Remember the movie that I said to you that I would recommend for you to watch? That would be the Stranger Than Fiction.
Oh,
If you
yes,
can,
yes, yes. I remember that.
yes, that's one of the classics and the top movies. Highly recommended because Will Farrell
Mm-hmm.
really indeed is a very good actor, very good comedian, very talented, and that
Yes,
amongst
that's
all
right.
of his movies,
Mm-hmm,
Stranger Than
mm-hmm.
Fiction is up
Highly
there.
recommended.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Well, I'm
Everybody.
sorry.
Mhm,
I'm
mhm,
sorry.
mhm.
It's not Will Farrell. It's Pharrell Williams.
So this would be a
Yes.
different one. But Will Ferrell and
Yes.
Marian also made a song titled "Happy," and it's also a upbeat
Mm-hmm.
song. Okay, but yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Please, you'll be laughing and crying as well on the movie
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
"Stranger Than Fiction." Okay,
Stranger Than Fiction.
yes, ma'am.
That's
And
good to
then
watch.
oh, indeed,
Yes.
please. And then the wall
Uh,
Pilates, just a backgrounder. I have, during my time, during
mm-hmm.
the days that I have been working full time on the business process outsourcing or contact centers
Mm-hmm,
here in the
mm-hmm.
Philippines,
Mm-hmm.
one of the benefits is having your HMO or your health card. And because
Oh,
I've got the
yes.
health card, I could afford to have the physical therapist. And
Mm-hmm.
the wall Pilates exercises, as I go and check and take a look right now, these are
Mm-hmm.
actually some of them, the basic ones, are actually the workouts that they have been asking me to do at home for my
Yes.
back.
Yes. And is that the floor Pilates or the wall Pilates? The
The
one.
wall Pilates.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Because the wall Pilates is so much more gentle on the
Mm-mm.
knees, on the hips,
Mm-mm.
and on our lower back,
Yes.
especially if you are approaching
Mm-hmm.
menopause or
Mm-hmm.
perimenopause, or you are on that
Mm-hmm.
menopausal stage wherein calcium or your
Mm-hmm.
bones will be quite brittle already at that age, and you need to be very careful with fractures.
Mm-hmm.
You need to be very careful just in case you will have a hip fracture. Oh, that
Mm-hmm.
will be hard because hip replacement is very, besides being
Yeah.
very expensive,
Here in the
it is
Philippines,
very
yes.
painful.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Yes. And most of the time, women who are perimenopause or has reached the menopausal age,
Mm-hmm.
that's the very first joint hit by
Mm-hmm.
a fracture, the hips, and
Mm-hmm.
also the ankles and the knees. That's why I would highly recommend, and most of the therapists would
Mm-hmm.
recommend wall pilates because it's not as strenuous as the floor pilates.
Yeah. But
Hmm.
same important workouts for us women. Definitely for
Yes,
us
that's right.
women.
That's
especially,
right. That's right.
especially like what Miss Anne says, premenopausal stage wherein, 40s to 49ers, and the
Right.
post-menopausal would be the 50s, like me. I'm already menopause. Yay.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah, at 53, yay, 54 soon, something like that. Yay, yeah, yeah. Yay, yay, yay. So thank you for introducing wall pilates to me. And then, thank you for reminding me that um, men- mental health, I mean,
Oh, yes.
being able to, as soon as we wake up, set aside a time for
Yes,
quiet
that's right.
time, right? The
That's right.
devotion, because that
Mm-hmm.
would be my fuel for the day, my
Right.
disposition, my happy disposition for the day. Because no matter what may come, bring it on. I'm ready for you, right? Something like that.
Right.
Yeah.
It will actually make your day
Mm-hmm.
very positive. You
Mm-hmm.
look at things on a positive way
Mm-hmm.
because, yeah, like I like the song, like what I said a while ago, Happy,
Mm-hmm.
because I'm happy. The song goes like, because I'm happy, na 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 na. Yeah. Watch the Minions and you will know what I mean.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yes. I did. It's just that I couldn't remember it, but I'll go and check it out again.
Mm,
Yeah,
right.
nice, nice. Wow, wow. Guys, if
Correct.
you don't believe in the Bible, if you don't believe in God, it's okay. We respect that. But,
Yes. Mm,
but for us, this is what is working for Miss Anne, right? That's why
right.
she's healthy. Her
And because you
definition,
can,
mm-hmm,
mm,
mm-hmm, go ahead.
because you can, I'm sorry, you can actually meditate just closing your eyes
Mm-mm,
and just calming yourself, even though you are not
mm-mm,
praying, but you
mm-mm.
are doing self meditation.
Yes.
All you need to do is just sit down
Mm-hmm,
and then do your deep breathing.
mm-hmm,
Focus on your breathing.
mm-hmm,
Focus on, you should have a focal point. Like, for
mm-hmm,
instance, the wall, and then you will close your eyes
mm-hmm.
and focus on your breathing for like 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
It will help you be calm the whole day.
Wow.
Yes, even though you are not praying.
Wow.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's mind meditation. It's very, very important as well.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, nice, nice, nice. But of course, with me and Miss Anne, it's much more better
Oh, yeah, of
because we don't
course.
empty our minds. We fill in the good stuff. We fill in what the good word from God.
Correct. Correct.
She
That's
does
right.
her Bible study for just about 30 minutes within a day. You know, just
Mm-hmm.
one chapter a day, right, guys? It
Right.
would be amazing, amazing habit. Yay. Thank you,
Right.
Miss Anne, for introducing that.
Because you
Mm-hmm.
will get your strength for the day
Mm-hmm.
by
Mm-hmm.
reading the word and then by praying
Mm-mm.
directly to God, by telling
Mm-mm.
Him whatever worries we have
Mm-hmm.
or whatever worries we will be facing for the
Mm-hmm.
day. You will
Yeah.
ask for strength and you will be
Mm-mm.
enlightened.
Indeed, indeed. Guys, we're not talking
Yes.
about religion. We're just talking
No.
about, yeah, this religion is would never ever be a way for us to, to save us the day, to save our day. But this is just, knowing good stuff, knowing God, knowing the good word, know and talking to him directly. That relationship, let's just build that trust. If we lost trust along the way in our lives because of some things that may have happened, maybe let's give
Mm-hmm.
him a chance this year, Let's make this quite good habit because it worked for Miss Anne. It is working for me, guys. Promise. Hey, listen to your old folks. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
because I've met so many achievers, young
Mm-hmm.
adults who's been into this habit of doing the
Right,
early
right.
morning quiet time, or meditation, or to some people who doesn't believe in God, but to those who believe in God, they take this time to focus on God. I mean, on what He says, and go and talk to Him in normal way. I mean, He's a God. I mean, He's very
Mm-hmm.
intelligent God. We don't need to blabber whatever, right? We don't need to be talking about highfalutin whatever. I mean, even
That's
silence He
right.
already knows, right?
That's right.
Just
And
being
also,
silent. Mm. Go ahead.
Christianity is about how many percent in the Philippines are Christians or Catholics or they have other religions, right? You can
Mhm.
go and pray to who you believe in.
Yeah,
Yeah, that will start your day right.
better. Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, yeah.
Whoever it
Because
is that you believe in, whether
yeah,
you are whatever religion you are,
yeah,
I'm sure you have someone you believe in.
yeah,
Then, yeah, yeah, you can go and meditate.
yes. And if you don't believe in anything or anyone, it's okay.
Hmm.
But just give yourself some time, like what
To
Miss Anne
meditate.
says.
Mm.
Yeah, be silent. To focus. To
On
calm.
yourself. Right.
Yeah, to calm ourselves. It's a quiet moment because
Correct.
me, I'm a low blood person.
Mm.
So
Really.
that is why the doctor says, please don't get up immediately as soon as you wake up.
Actually, even for seniors, that's what they say.
Don't get up
The
immediately.
Yes, you wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before you
Yeah.
stand up. You will
Mm-mm.
wake up, but then you will allow yourself to just relax for
Mm-mm.
about 5 minutes before you stand up. That
Yeah.
is to get your balance as well.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
as seniors, we normally lose our balance
Mm.
even when we're doing our, let's say we are in the mall. Sometimes we tend to walk sideways because we are
Mm.
walking, out of balance and
Mm-mm.
we do
Mm.
not notice it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or sometimes we trip on the floor because we
Mm.
are not balanced,
Mm.
or we trip on the steps without us realizing it.
Mm.
That is
Mm.
also because of our age.
Oh, actually, Miss Anne, not only with
Mm-hmm.
age, because
Mm-hmm.
of as well with the hazard of working on a contact center, because we work at
Correct.
night.
Correct. Not enough sleep.
Yes. And
Mm-hmm.
even though we may say, I got enough 6 to 8 hours, but that's during the day, girl or
Yeah,
boy.
that's correct.
Yeah, it's different,
Correct.
really. So it's really is health hazard. for
Mm.
us BPO workers. So even though you may
Right.
say I'm in mid 20s, mid 30s, yeah, you develop the same the same um issues, health concerns with us old folks. And that is
Right.
why I'm so I'm so blessed with good children.
Mm.
My eldest, my son, he's
Mm-hmm.
so a gentleman. He grew up like
Oh.
a gentleman that
Mm-hmm.
whenever we walk,
Mm-hmm.
he's really is on the lookout of that. I didn't realize it actually, me myself. Yeah, growing up,
Mm-hmm.
I always tend to fall without, you always losing my balance. That's why
Yes.
my ankles is always, always get
Swollen.
injured. Yeah, fractured. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that is because I live an active life. I walk fast.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and even though I'm walking, my mind is somewhere going to the appointment or
Mm-hmm.
thinking about my memorizing my assignment, something like that. So my mind is always active even though while I'm working. So please don't
Correct.
think that this is just us, for us seniors. Okay, it is also applying to our dear students and dear folks everywhere. And
That's right.
also, yeah, so very very important. um Even though you may say I'm a healthy person, yeah, I was also a swimmer. I'm a very healthy person all throughout my younger days, but I lose balance because we're humans. Our mind is active, right? The
Right. Right.
coordination between our feet, our hands, and mind, sometimes they go off.
Right. And sometimes we're walking, like what you said,
Mm-mm.
our mind is elsewhere. Like
Mm-mm.
sometimes we're walking and what is on our mind is what am I going to buy in the
Mm-hmm.
grocery?
Mm-hmm.
Do we still have cooking oil? Do we
Mm-hmm.
still have soy sauce? I mean, your
Mm-hmm.
mind is very, very active while you are
Mm-mm.
walking. Even the students are thinking about their homework
Mm-mm.
or whatever it is,
Memorizing, yeah.
right? So, yeah, it is very important to just the moment you wake up, just stay
Mm-mm.
there lying down for just
Mm-mm.
about 5 minutes to get your
Mm-mm.
balance.
Mm-mm.
And then you stand up slowly. And
Mm-mm.
then you drink a glass of water. You
Yeah,
should
that.
always drink a glass of
Yes.
water. Yes, in the morning.
Before brushing your teeth, they said.
Yes, that's right.
That there's really is some wisdom on that, right?
Yes. You should always have a glass of water beside your bed.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I've heard that tip long ago. I didn't know why, but I've been seeing in the Korean drama, I've seen that as
Mm-hmm.
well, that they do have, even most especially for elderlies, but even for royalties. i've
Right.
seen i've seen since it's a Korean drama, they've got the
Mm,
royalties, the kings and the queens
mm,
and the elite people, that they were served water before they sleep, uh,
right.
a drinking water before they sleep, so that
Mm,
there's a water beside them, so that I was thinking, oh, maybe what if I maybe because I have some nightmare, so there's good that there's water right beside me, but it's also
right,
upon
right.
waking up, they said.
Mm. Upon
Huh?
waking up is very important. Before
Yeah.
going to sleep, I drink only about half a glass of water because I do not
Mhm.
want to stand up every time
Yeah.
because I need to go to the, you know,
Bathroom.
right.
To the
I want,
toilet, yeah.
right, because my body needs 6 to 8 hours of sleep.
Yeah,
Because to
yeah,
those who are not aware, you are actually burning calories while sleeping.
yeah.
And you are burning more calories while you are asleep.
Wow.
Yes.
Right.
You can Google it. You can go to any medical book. That's what they will say.
Yeah.
You are actually burning more calories while asleep. So
Mm.
for me, 6 to 8 hours is very important. So I don't drink a lot of water before going to sleep
It's
because
waking up that is important, right? They
right,
said before you brush your teeth, drink it.
right. As soon as you wake up.
Yeah, and that is so amazing that um I have learned about this when I was young. My
Mm-hmm.
father would say, "Wake up now, girl. Go and make some rest. Go
Mm-hmm.
rest now." I mean,
Mm-hmm.
father, you're waking me up and you're telling me to rest.
Mm-hmm.
Wake up so you can rest now. Rest now. What? You're waking me up. Yeah, and start resting now. What? I cannot understand. What? Why do I have to rest? Oh, now I know. Now I know what it means. That yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you wake up and rest. I mean, wake up because your body have been, working while we are sleeping, but don't get up immediately. Just wake up, but don't get up.
Right,
That's what he was trying to tell me. Wake up now,
right,
but rest, okay? I heard that when I was young. I'm like, Father, why are you keep on telling that? Each time that he wakes me up, the next
right,
thing that he'll say, rest now. Now I understand.
right.
Only because the doctor tells me that you got low
Mm-hmm.
blood. Don't stand up immediately. When you wake up, don't get up
Mm-hmm.
immediately. Now I get it. Now, even though
That's
Miss Anne is
correct.
not a low blood person, there's the science. There's the truth on 5 minutes to clear out our balance. Even while we're walking, like Miss Anne says, we
Mm-hmm.
lose that balance. So we need to really be calm. Take time to be
Right,
calm. Yeah. And
correct.
going back to my son, as I was
Mm-hmm.
saying, so him growing up, he was a very observant to me as his mom. That is why, even on his teens, all the way up to his now 20s, he whenever we walk together, he will say, "Oh, I have to do this. I have to do this." Why? Because you will trip. I know you. Even though the pavement is clear and not
Uh,
I know you. You trip always. Yes, that's why
that's
he's
right,
holding me, or he has a clear distance so that he's
right.
alert. Yes, it does. I mean, there are times that I go and trip, and he would laugh. See, I told you, Mom. He was always there. Oh, I miss my
Yes.
son. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's such a sweet boy. I can imagine him. Right.
Yes. Like for example, traffic. Like we're
Mm-hmm.
going up
Oh, yeah.
on a what you call it, flyover,
Oh, that's
fly
high.
walk. How would you call it? Fly. Uh,
A
what is it?
flyover.
What? Yeah, flyover for the cars. For
Oh,
us,
yes.
pedestrian. What is that called? Footbridge. Yeah,
Yeah, that
yeah,
is so
footbridge.
high.
Yes, but um, he's on my side, wherein he can easily block others who are going down
Mm-hmm.
if we're going up. Because
Mm-hmm.
there are people that tend to go down the stairs, not minding that there's somebody else going up. So he was
Right.
there. He's always on the side, wherein he could immediately protect me, and he's amazing. And he's not saying it, but I could see he is doing it. Like it's either he blocks by sideways his body or with his
Mm-hmm.
hand. He's an amazing guy. Well, I miss him. Anyways, let's go back to Miss Anne's habit.
No, I mean, it is so scary. I mean, if you will fall down
Hmm.
a footbridge.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Then.
because I'm guessing it's all cement, right?
Oh yes, yes. Well, yeah, that's why it's a real blessing to have men who knows how to protect their women. Yeah.
Oh,
Mm,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Even
Yeah.
my grandson, he
Mm.
always holds my hand
Mm.
whenever we're in a mall, and he's only 10 years
Mm-mm.
old.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Gentleman. Eh,
that's
nice.
right.
And we
And
don't
the
say that,
logic, okay.
right? We don't ask them to do that, right?
Oh,
It's their
yes.
instinct. It's immediately. These are the men who's instinctly protects women. Eh?
Right.
Right.
And the logic behind
Mhm.
you drinking water
Oh, yeah.
the moment you wake up is that they say it helps your inner organs,
Ah.
like your intestines, your stomach,
Mhm.
whatever it is, because it's like
They've
you're
been
using
busy.
oil. It's like
Yeah.
oil inside your
Mhm.
body, but you're actually drinking water. It's just putting oil inside your body to make it per-
Calibrating something.
right. Right. It's like making it work correctly early in the
Yeah.
morning before you drink coffee.
Nice.
Right.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Before my coffee. Yeah, I will. I will.
Yes.
I
I
will make it a
usually take,
habit.
I need about 2 cups of coffee the moment I wake up.
Yeah, I'm guilty.
Yeah.
Guilty pleasures.
Yeah. For me, it has to be 2 cups of coffee. Do not talk to me yet while I am taking my coffee
Yeah.
because I already did my meditation.
Uh,
I already had a glass of water and then I will meditate and now it's my coffee time. I will have
yeah.
my me time.
Yeah.
And that's
Wow.
very important. Right.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Especially those who I've asked some people already about
Mm-hmm.
what do you do to to um perk yourself up, to
Mm-hmm.
relax your mind. And they said those who live here in Rizal, those whom I
Mm-hmm.
have interviewed here in
Mm-hmm.
Rizal, they said, well, we just, look out the window, drink our coffee, and enjoy the
Yeah.
scenery. And I said, yeah, that
Mm-hmm.
is because you live here. Because when you look out the window, you see what? Beautiful trees, the
Oh, that's so
sky, the
nice.
mountain, the
Mm-hmm.
birds singing. Because the hills and the field, I mean, no fields, but just the hills and the houses over there somewhere, right?
Right.
Unlike in the Metro Manila, if you're gonna say that, the fumes.
Correct. I'm guessing there in your
Mm-mm,
place in Antipolo, I'm guessing
mm-mm.
you can see fog right now, early
Oh,
morning. Can
oh
you?
yeah, 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 yes, yeah. And
Wow,
they're not
amazing.
smog because I could also see Ortigas from here, from my
Yeah.
place,
Uh-huh.
and Manila, some parts of Manila, and I could see smog.
Oh,
But here
really?
in Antipolo, over there towards Binangonan, towards Angono, I could see, wow, real fog. I could see the difference. Yeah.
Really?
Mm-mm. Nice, right?
Amazing, amazing.
Mm-mm.
Because,
Amazing.
yeah, like
Mhm.
here in Metro Manila, what you will see is like, yeah, it's not, yeah, it is smog.
Pollution.
Yes, pollution. You are very blessed to stay in your place.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm
And
thanking God
then,
for that. Yeah.
and then after taking my coffee,
Coffee.
I'm
Hey,
actually
hey.
telling you my morning
Oh,
routine.
yes, please do. Yeah. Go ahead.
I normally take my, although you need to ask your doctor before you take supplements, but
Ah.
because ever since, because I had a total hysterectomy when I was only 40.
Oh.
Yes. So she actually recommended for me to take primrose oil.
Mm,
Yes, because she said that my skin will dry up
mm.
because I am already in menopause at the age of 40. Just
Oh.
40. Yeah. So she said, take primrose oil. It's very good for the skin. So I have been taking primrose oil since I was 40. So that's like 24 years now.
Wow.
And
Early.
yeah, yes, because I had endometriosis.
Oh. What's that?
Actually, it's to,
Sorry.
it has something to do with the uterus.
Ah.
So I had endometriosis and another ailment in my uterus, so they had to do a total hysterectomy at only
Mm.
40. So I had to take that
Uh,
vitamin. Yes, she
uh,
actually recommended to me. So to those who are going or perimenopausal, because you can
mm,
actually take that even though you are not yet in menopause, but
mm,
about to, like for instance, you're in your 40s, you can
mm.
ask your doctor because it's just a supplement.
Yeah,
Yeah, right. It's
I
not really
see.
a vitamin. It doesn't have any effect on the body. It's more on the skin.
Ah,
Yes,
nice.
on the skin and other sensitive parts of a woman's body.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, so it's
And
actually
then,
for
mm,
women. And
awesome, awesome.
then, yeah, I
I'm
do my
writing it down.
dancing. And then I take my breakfast or I do my dancing because I don't do breakfast because I am normally in fasting up until 12, which is my lunchtime, because I
Uh-huh.
take lunch and then I will be fasting for about 18 hours. Yeah.
Yeah. So it really is
Mm.
dependent on each person, right? Because some
Right.
people, breakfast is important. Get your
Right.
breakfast. But
Correct.
for me, for you, we don't really much on the breakfast thing, right? I don't know with
Right.
others.
Because I'm trying to lose weight. That's
um,
why. Yes. That's why
mm,
my diet is different. The others need to have a full breakfast. Sometimes they eat rice and fish and their sunny side up, and then they need to have a complete breakfast with banana or
yeah.
papaya. That's their breakfast. And then sometimes, because I do calorie counting, that's why, because
Uh,
my weight, I used to weigh more than 180 pounds and my height is
oh,
only 5'2". So for
that's
health
about 80
reasons,
kilos, right?
right, 83 kilos to be
Wow,
exact. I was 83 kilos and now I'm at 69 kilos. So,
wow, good job.
yes.
When did you
And
start losing weight?
just last April, so more or
Oh,
less about 10 months. Yes.
congratulations.
Well, thank you. But that's all hard work. I mean, you,
Yeah.
I need to take away all the soda because soda is really bad for the body. Really. I
I
just
will.
noticed that when I stopped drinking soda, my blood sugar's stable right now, and also when I started to lose weight, and then my skin looks better.
Nice.
So yes, before I used to drink soda like a liter of soda
Mm. Mm.
with ice cold s- with ice cold. I normally it's ice cold soda
Uh-huh.
in a glass, right?
Uh-huh.
Mm. And now I only drink water. And
Nice.
I'm happy with just taking water.
Yeah. That's why I
Yep.
so love my kids. You know,
Mm.
when they were young, of course, I
Mm.
don't allow them to drink sodas, soft drinks.
Yeah.
Only if it's a special occasion that, we have visitors, they can do that. And now that they're old, they're so amazing that they're not asking me to drink it. And what they do, they buy me um, lemons. Yeah,
Oh,
even way back then that I was in my
yes.
40s and 30s,
Yes.
they buy me lemon. And it's so nice. They're so sweet that, they're focusing on their
Yeah.
mother's health.
It's very good for the body. Lemons is
Mhm.
very good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would just
They
put it
call
on
it
the water.
infused
Yeah.
water, right?
Mhm.
And you can also put cucumber
Oh, wow.
with lemon
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that you call it infused water so that it will have a slight taste. and it is
Nice.
also healthy. Cucumber is also healthy. And besides, cucumber is almost like water.
Mhm.
So I guess it's all right.
Nice.
And
Um.
then after
Mhm,
taking my lunch,
mhm,
I take two extra vitamins,
mhm.
and that is krill oil.
How do you
It's
spell
for
that?
heart health. Krill,
Ah.
you spell that Krill, and then oil.
Uh-huh. And this will be after lunch,
Yes,
after eating
after
a full
lunch.
meal.
Yes, and it also I take my D3, my vitamin D3 plus K2. This is also good for D3 is good for it's like calcium.
Uh,
Yes, and K2 is also for cardiovascular health. But you know what? Because
mm,
us, especially me, I'm a senior, I don't
mm,
get a lot of vitamin D
mm,
because I do not go out of the house, so I do not get
mm,
enough sunlight.
mm,
And because I hate the sun, really, I hate going out,
mm,
being exposed to the sun because my skin, I will have black spots. I'm very careful with my
mm,
skin,
mm,
and you need to be very careful also because you do not, uh, you do not want to be exposed to UV rays.
mm,
So unless you have a sunscreen, it
mm.
is safe to go out in the sun. But otherwise, I take my vitamin D and K3, which is also good for cardiovascular health.
Yeah.
And vitamin D is very good for the bones.
Ah.
Yes, like what I said a while ago, we need to be very careful with regards to our bones.
So
Right.
vitamin
Uh,
K2, K3,
K3. Mine
K3,
is K. Oh no, it's K2. I'm sorry, it's
K2.
K2. Yes, because it's right beside me. And it
Nice.
has organic coconut oil.
Ah.
Yes. And this is again just a dietary supplement. It's not really something that will help you if you have problems with, let's say, your bones.
Mm,
I suggest that you go and see your doctor if
mm,
you need to have it corrected. Like if you lack so much calcium, you need to go to your
uh-huh,
doctor. If you are if you need lots of vitamin D, I suggest you go to your doctor as well before
mm.
taking any supplement. It is so much
Ah,
better if you will see your doctor.
I see.
Right.
I see.
Right.
Well,
Uh,
um, to my dear Ali listeners, just a backgrounder for your dear Ali. Just so you know, guys, this supplements, you may say, hey, that's too much. No, actually, it would save our lives. You know what, guys? I've been hospitalized because I
mm,
asked the doctor, what's wrong? Well, the, y- um, you have, your potassium level. Your potassium level was so
oh,
low.
yes.
We need you
And
to be
uh,
hospitalized. Yeah.
and that's very dangerous because
Mm-mm.
potassium helps out in pumping our heart
Yeah.
because we need potassium because our heart doesn't rest. It's working nonstop since
Mhm.
birth until now. So potassium is very important. So yeah, every time you see a doctor, check out what kind of vitamins you need. Yes, and that is
Mhm.
not only for bone health, but
Mhm.
also for immune system, for your muscle strength, and also your skin overall. That is
Mhm.
for your overall health. And you
Nice.
can take care of your body as early as in your 20s, especially if you are
Yes.
working hard. Right.
Yeah. Most
So,
especially,
mm,
please take good care. I mean, those supplements or vitamins are very important, guys. It's not just, a trying to look good, trying to be, uh, active, because especially for the BPO, I mean the business process outsourcing, guys.
Oh, yes.
In the Philippines, why I keep on saying it? Because in the Philippines, the number one income generator for the country is still the agriculture industry.
Yeah,
Second
that's right.
is the export industry, which
Right.
includes our overseas Filipino workers. We export
Correct.
talents. And the third income
Yes.
generator for our country are the BPO.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's
please,
right.
mm, please take care. Take care of
Mm.
yourselves. We are our, country's income.
Right.
Take
We
care of
bring in the
yourselves.
dollars. We bring in the
Mm,
dollars. And it is important to take care of yourself, not only because we work in the BPO industry, but as early as if you reach your 20s, it is good to take care of your body because you can never tell.
mm-mm.
Being sick is very, very expensive right now.
Yes. When it comes to the vitamins, that is my kids. Um, they're not fond of that. They're in their twenties
Mm,
now, and
right,
during their teens or when they were young, yes, they do take the vitamins regularly when they were in elementary, because the vitamins
right,
that I've been or in toddler years, the vitamins that I've been giving them were the gummy bears. And they
right.
were used to the gummy bears, and whenever they look on a vitamin in a tablet or capsule form, they don't
Mm,
like it, because on their mind they were just thinking that they're drinking medicine already. And I said, no, you need it. I mean,
right,
because you're a student, you're studying, and you're not getting enough um enough food that is really
right.
good for you. So you really
Mm,
have to drink it, and they don't like it. That's the sad part with them. They have this psycho thing that, hey,
mm.
we don't want medications. No, it's not. Please.
Well, on
Yeah.
that part, I am blessed because my
Mm-mm.
children loves eating vegetables and fish
Ah.
and chicken. They've been very careful with their
Mm.
diet. So what they do is they can eat chicken and veggies, a lot of them. So
Mhm.
that's protein and a lot of vitamins, right, for their bodies. But I am still suggesting for them to take their vitamins. Anyway, it's just
Correct.
vitamins, right? Right.
Because even though, yeah, my kids as well, they eat
Mm-hmm.
healthy. Right? They don't like soft drinks sometimes only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're not really into soft drinks, but they don't like vitamins. They just want to eat healthy, and that's it. Vitamins are really, would give us enough for the day that we require.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope
Yes.
the young people would, be able to, maybe more advertisements, so that they could be
Yes, that's right.
motivated in drinking it or taking it.
Correct. Correct. And
And
then
you
at
go ahead.
night,
Mm-hmm.
I take my magnesium.
Ah.
Yes, it is actually highly recommended for seniors
Uh-huh.
because it supports the muscles, it calms your heart rhythm, it is also good for the bones and the nerves. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
also, I'm sorry. Hold on.
Mm-mm. Yeah, the magnesium only at night.
Yes,
Uh,
the magnesium only at night, and it also helps you sleep.
ah.
Right. You get better sleep and you relax better. It has a calming effect on our nervous system.
Mhm.
Yes, and that is
Um,
it is also helpful with regards to controlling our blood sugar. So doctors would highly recommend taking magnesium for seniors.
I
And I
see.
take magnesium with I think another my bottle. I'll send you a screenshot of that bottle.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yes, because it will help you a lot as well. That's what I take. And I sleep well at nights.
I see.
Yes.
How about you mentioned about the coconut oil.
Hmm.
Um, that is not the same as the virgin cocoa oil that they were saying. I'm just
Oh no,
curious.
I'm not sure if what's in the supplements, but it has coconut oil. But
Ah.
for frying, what we use here at home is coconut oil. We do not use lard or
Mm,
the normal cooking oil because if you will do your research, what the best cooking oil is, they would say it is
coconut.
pure coconut oil.
Yeah, nice.
Yes, we're
I
very
really,
conscious
yeah,
about that.
I really
Mm.
love coconut. There's nothing, everything about the coconut tree,
Oh,
right,
yes.
is very healthy.
Right.
Coconut.
You
Uh,
can use everything in the coconut tree, even the
yeah.
coconut husks.
Oh,
We
what
use
do
it
they
for
do
the
with the
floor.
coconut?
We use it for the floor.
Yeah, to
Right.
sweep
Especially
and
when I
make it
was still a
shiny.
child.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't think they do that anymore, the coconut husk for
Yeah,
the
me also.
making the
I
floor
don't think
shine.
so. Yes.
Because the going on right now is the what you call it? It's either marble flooring or tiled floor.
Yes. And also, we also have this from Korea. It's not
Ah,
really a vacuum cleaner, but
yeah.
it's like the floor shiner, wherein
Yeah.
it is automatic.
Yeah, the robots.
Yes, the robots.
My daughter says,
Correct.
yeah, I have one at home, and my daughter says, oh, poor robot. Poor robot.
Yes, that is technology for you now. But when I was still a teenager, I like
Yeah.
using the coconut husk,
Mm.
especially when I was trying to lose weight.
Ah.
Yes, I do
Mm.
that. I'll take
Yeah.
it from my nanny and I'll say, I will
Uh-huh.
do that for you.
Oh, my mother doesn't want me to do it because she said,
Uh,
"Oh, I don't want you to have to, your legs. It would, have that big muscle on your legs.
mhm.
Don't do it." But in school, we do it. I just don't tell it to my mom.
Oh, yes, in school, they will make you clean the classroom.
Yeah, yeah. If you did something not right, your
Right.
the penalty would be doing the sweeping the floor with the coconut husk, making it shiny.
Yes, with the floor wax. You will need to put the
Mm.
floor wax first
Yeah.
to make
And
it
it's
shiny.
that was way back then because it helps even on mosquitoes. It goes away.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, the floor walks, it goes, yeah, it helps with having the mosquitoes away. And my father, he also do that. He used the floor, the coconut husk,
Hmm.
on the pig pen, on the pigs,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, on the pigs floor,
Hmm.
on their pig pen. They really is
Hmm.
so nice and clean and shiny, and that is why I can sleep with them. When I was young, I can remember because he does that in the morning and the afternoon, so it really is so nice and so clean. My
Right.
father.
And you can also use was this a coconut
Mhm.
leaves? I
Ah,
mean, they use it as a roof in the provinces,
yeah.
right?
Mm-mm.
Is that the nipa? I'm
Yes,
not
I believe
sure.
so too. Yeah,
Yes,
I believe so. Yes,
yes, I believe
very
that.
nice,
So, yeah, you can use everything in the coconut. Plus
nice.
the buko juice, it's very good for
Ah,
you.
that
It's
it
very
saves my
healthy.
life
Oh
actually.
yeah.
Yeah, because there was a time that I couldn't
Mm.
walk. My kidney, I believe, is having some
Oh.
issues. I don't
Mm.
know why. Um, but I couldn't really walk. The UTI, the urinary
Mm.
tract infection as well.
Mm.
I couldn't really walk because it was so painful. But just
Mm.
one boca juice, one drink, and yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's gone. No need to drink those antibiotics or whatever. Yeah,
Yes.
it's it's
Yes.
just amazing. Coconut.
It is very healthy. I have a son who drinks his coconut juice every day.
Mm-mm.
Yes,
Yeah,
without fail.
yeah. That's why I'm
So,
so grateful from where I live right now, because
mm,
just right about a
really?
few steps away,
Uh,
there's a coconut dealer, and
mm,
that's why they can sell that coconut juice every day. I'm so
wow.
happy. Yeah. So
Yes,
happy from where I am. Really am blessed. And
that is correct.
yeah, indeed. So guys, please let's go and remember the habits um that Miss Anne is sharing. That's why she's at 64 and still happy and healthy. Number one, when she wakes up, right? When she wakes up,
Right,
that early morning devotion, 15 minute, before, the very instant that she opens her eyes, 5-minute rest. Like my father,
right.
there's a wisdom of my father. Yeah, I mean, wake up, but don't get up, rest for at least some few minutes. My some kids do this, some Gen Zs do this actually. When they wake up, as soon as they open their eyes, they grab their phone
Oh, yeah.
and do checking on their mobile phone.
Yes. Instead
Yeah.
of meditating, that's what they do.
So there's a science in that, guys. There's wisdom on that. So let's, give it to the kids. 5 minutes,
Right.
okay? But if it lasted more than 2, 3 hours already, ask them to get up.
Right. Right. Because it's
And
not healthy anymore.
yeah. And then um, after that 5 minute of calming ourselves, relaxing ourselves, as soon as we open our eyes, we get up.
Mm,
But
mm,
we don't do Miss Anne don't do anything yet. She goes on her early morning devotion. Yay!
right.
Because she said the very first thing about being healthy is mental and spiritual to her. Guys,
Stability. Right.
yes, that stability. Very early, first thing in the morning, guys, because we are human beings. We're not just physical. We have a soul. And please, we're not animals. We have a soul that makes us different from, all other species. We have a spirit. We have a mental health that we need to attend to, and spiritual as
Correct.
well. If you don't want
Correct.
to go on the spiritual side, let's just focus on the mental side. Our mind needs that
I
early
agree.
morning
Right.
meditation. Okay,
Right.
10 minutes, focus on our breathing, but it's also best, I suggest, instead of emptying our minds, let's fill our minds with the good things. Okay.
Mm,
Yeah.
right.
And the
Right.
best
Right.
good, uh, well, yeah, if you don't believe in the Bible, since it's the number one good
Mm,
word, it's the word of God. If you
mm,
don't believe in the Bible, go grab yourself some books, some good
right.
books. Eh? Instead
Correct.
of,
Correct.
emptying our minds, let's fill our minds with some good inspirations instead. Some good books,
Yes.
right? 10,
There are a
15
lot
minutes.
of there are a
Mm-mm.
lot of inspirational books that they can
Yes,
read. Right.
yes. 30 minutes. One,
Mm,
if we cannot afford the 2 cups of coffee time, like Miss Anne
mm,
says, well, let's
yes.
go and read while we drink our coffee. Okay?
Mm,
To perk us up to start our day. It's best to be able to start our day positive.
mm,
Yeah, because the
you're right.
whatever may happen during the day, things may not go as we planned them. At least our routine, our early morning routine, is the best part of our day. And
Oh
let's
yeah.
make it a good start. Let's give ourselves a good start, a healthy for a healthy start, not only physically but mentally first. That's the very first thing that Miss Anne is saying. And for those who
Right.
do believe in God, let's do as well the spiritual side. Let's not forget one chapter a day would really indeed makes not only the doctor away, but so many things away, so many negative things away, right? They said it's food for the soul. Man does not live by bread alone. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Right,
And
right.
Miss Anne, we
Yes.
have still part two, part three of our health routine. We'll go and tackle that in a much more detailed manner later on our next
Of
sessions.
course.
But for
Of
now, before we
course.
say bye bye on this session, any last note, any last word of, want to say to our listeners?
Well, yes, I'd like to suggest that you take care of your body, not just your body,
Mm,
but your
mm,
soul.
mm.
Every because there is a saying that tomorrow is never promised,
Oh,
so
yeah,
we might as well make the most out of our body so that our bodies will function well. Take care of it. It's the
correct.
only body that we have.
Yes, let's love ourselves. Let's love our body. Let's love ourselves. And before we
Right.
say bye bye, please tune in again. We will have more of Miss Anne. So for now, love, love, love. Bye for now. See you on the next
Bye,
season.
everyone.
Awesome. See you on the next episode.
Yes.